Hello students. Today in the chapter solid, liquids and gases, what we are going to do is discuss question and answers from the lesson. So at the end of the lesson there are certain question and answers which are given that we are going to solve today. Okay, and then we will end this, and in the next session we will take up the new lesson. Okay, so let us begin with question and answer session. Students, today we are going to discuss question and answers from the lesson solid, liquids and gases. So let us begin. We had already revised certain points from the lesson, like matter exists in three states: solid, liquids and gases. Matter is made up of molecules and molecules are made up of atoms. Atoms of the same kind combine and form elements. Atoms of different kinds combine and form compounds. So remember that matter is made up of molecule and molecule is made up of atoms. Arrangement of molecules can be different in different states, and some solids dissolve in water, like salt and sugar is the example. There are also some liquids which can dissolve in water. They are called miscible liquids. The examples are alcohol, glycerin. Then there are also gases which can dissolve in water, like oxygen and ammonia. So certain states of matter, almost all the states of matter, certain material can dissolve in water and certain cannot. So whichever are soluble, they are called as soluble, and which are not soluble are called as insoluble substances. Okay, so and soluble substances are found in all the three states of matter. You can find them in solids, liquids as well as gases. Heating or cooling of a material changes the state of matter. So if you heat the solid, it will get converted to liquid. If you heat the liquid, it will get converted to gas, and vice versa is also true. If you cool the gas, it will get converted to liquid, and if you cool the liquid, it will get converted to solid. Now let us solve some questions from the textbook. First question: which of the following is a physical change? इसमें से कौन सा प्रोसेस फिजिकल चेंज है? The options are melting of butter, rusting of iron, burning of paper, changing of wheat or bread. Melting of butter, I can say it is a physical change. Why? Because after melting also butter still remains butter. It doesn't change its chemical composition. On the other hand, rusting of iron, it changes the chemical composition. Burning of paper, changing of wheat to bread. These are all chemical changes. So the correct option is A, which is melting of butter. Let us see the next question. Milk turning sour is a physical change, reversible change, chemical change, or none of this? Now, milk is turning sour, it means that there is a chemical change. Okay, so other three options are wrong. The correct option is C, which is chemical change. Question number 3. Dash and salt are soluble in water. Obviously, sugar is the correct answer because sand, chalk, kerosene don't get dissolved in water. Fourth question. In ice, the water molecules are stuck together, very close to each other, move very fast, or move around freely. Since ice is in a solid state, they are stuck to each other. So the correct option is A. The correct option is A. The gas that bubbles out of aerated drink. एरेटेड ड्रिंक मतलब थम्स अप, पेप्सी, स्प्राइट, ये जो एरेटेड ड्रिंक्स है ये. सो विच गैस बबल्स आउट ऑफ देम? नाइट्रोजन, ऑक्सीजन, हाइड्रोजन और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड? द करेक्ट आंसर इज डी, दैट इज कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. सो दीज वेर द MCQs. नाउ लेट अस सी मैच द फॉलोइंग. फर्स्ट वन इज मैटर. So matter is what? Anything that takes up space and has weight. So the correct answer will be E. Second, molecule. Molecule is what? It is the smallest unit of a substance. So the correct option is F. Gas. Gas has a definite shape. Is it a correct option? No. Has no definite shape but has definite volume? No, this is also not correct. Attraction between the molecule is the least. D is the correct option. So I will join 3 to D. Then miscible in water, I will leave this particular thing. Okay, I will move on to the solid. Solid, does it have a definite shape and volume? Yes, so 5 will be joined to A. 6, liquid. Liquid is what? It has no definite shape but has definite volume, so 6 will be joined to B. Now what remains is miscible in water, and the option that is remaining is sugar. But sugar is not a miscible substance. Sugar is a solid. Solids are soluble. Miscible is what? The liquid. If liquid is getting dissolved in liquid, then that is called as miscible. So I have cancelled this sugar, and instead of that I will write alcohol. Now miscible in water will be alcohol, so I will join this. Okay, so these are the match the followings. I am also going to attach a PDF in the description section, so you can just move on to the description section, and there you will find the PDF copy of this particular question and answers. So now comes the short answers. What is matter? Matter is what? It is anything that occupies space and has weight. Second, what are molecules? Molecule is a small substance of small unit of a substance that has all the properties of that substance. Then question number 3, what are molecules made up of? Molecule किससे बने होते हैं? Molecule तो atom से बने होते हैं. So that you will write as answer. Molecules are made up of atoms. Question number 4, name any two solids, two liquids and two gases that can dissolve in water. मतलब solid के दो example देने हैं, liquid के दो और gases के दो. तो इसमें sugar में sugar and salt, these are the solids, the examples of solids which can dissolve in water. Then examples of liquid can be glycerin, alcohol, and gases it can be oxygen, ammonia. See, there are other examples also, you can write them also, but then make sure that they are right. Okay, otherwise you can write down these examples. Now comes the long answers, though they are not too long, but still they are there. Why do solids have fixed shape? Remember, solids have a fixed shape because they are very close to each other. They attract each other with a great force of attraction. So solid is hard, rigid, and has definite shape and volume. Since they are close to each other, and why they are close to each other? Because there is great force of attraction between them. Question number 2, why do liquids flow? In liquids, molecules are less closely packed compared to solids. Attraction between molecules in liquid is less compared to that of solids. And molecules can move around freely, so that's the reason why liquids can flow. Third and the last question, write two differences between liquids and gases. Liquids और gases में दो differences लिखने हैं. The first being liquids have a fixed volume, gases don't have a fixed volume. Second, molecules in liquid move slower than the molecule in gases. Compared to gases, molecules in liquid move slower, whereas molecules in gases are faster compared to liquids. So these can be the two differences between liquids and gases. Well, you can write these questions in your notebook. Okay, just refer the lesson, read the lesson carefully, and whatever questions are there, please solve them. If you have any doubts, feel free to ask. You can put your comments in comment box. I'm going to attach the PDF copy also, so you can refer that also. Well, that was all for today. I hope you understood what answers are there for each questions. Okay, what is the meaning of that answer? I hope you understood that. But still, if you have any doubt, feel free to ask me. You can put your comments in comment box. Okay, you can ask your queries over there. Next time, as I said, we'll take up the new lesson. We'll start with the new chapter. Until then, take care. Bye bye.